Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to unstake your Ethereum on Metamask. So as you can see, I have opened the official website and support center, so you will be able to see how you can do that. So first of all, you need to make a choice that either you want to unstake one validator or unstake all validators. So for one validator, what you need to do is just click on validators, and from here select your validator and click on withdraw total balance. And once you click on withdraw total balance, you will see this pop up. So just need to confirm it, and once you confirm that, it will take a few seconds and it will show you transaction completed and withdraw is pending. So once the withdraw is completed, you will see this pop up, withdraw is completed and ready. So just click on claim balance, and once you click on claim balance, you will see this pop up, review claim. Just click on confirm, and after that it will be unstaked completely. And in case if you want to unstake all the validators, so just go to this account section and from here see your validators, and after that click on these three lines, and once you click on these three lines, you will see a pop-up like this, withdraw total balance. And after that, this is the same process, just need to confirm, and withdrawal is pending, transactions completed. And once the withdrawal is completed, you will see this pop-up, claim balance. Click on it and confirm it, and once you confirm it, once you claim, the transaction is confirmed on chain, your balance and rewards will be in your account. So that is an easy process of how you can unstake Ethereum on Metamask.